Hi, I'm Rudy Winston with Canon USA. The Canon EOS 5D Mark IV adds some potentially important new lens correction technologies, which can provide even better detail and sharpness in RAW and now JPEG images. In this episode, we'll look at lens aberration correction and, more importantly, the new digital lens optimizer. In past EOS cameras, we've had three types of in-camera lens aberration corrections. Peripheral illumination correction, which reduces the darkening you sometimes see towards the outer areas of a scene. Chromatic aberration correction, which reduces the bands of false color that can appear around bright outlines. And correction for linear distortion, to reduce bending of straight lines. Each is important for JPEG images because they give you correction right in the camera. RAW files are tagged with any correction, which can be applied automatically if those RAW files are processed in Canon's Digital Photo Professional software. EOS 5D Mark IV adds some important new possibilities here. First, you can activate correction for lens diffraction, the softening we can see in images shot at small lens apertures like f/16 or f/22. And even more impressive is Canon's Digital Lens Optimizer technology. For the first time, Digital Lens Optimizer, abbreviated DLO, can be applied in the camera to JPEG images. And it can likewise be applied to RAW images in two ways. First, it can be applied in the computer if you process RAW files with Canon's Digital Photo Professional software. And now you can also apply DLO correction if you use the in-camera RAW processing capability. Digital Lens Optimizer is able to provide lens-specific correction to a host of subtle imperfections that can arise in digital images. Think of it as a very smart form of sharpening, using target data from Canon's lens engineers. There's a considerable amount of processing involved. So if you have DLO active, your shooting speed and burst rate will slow down noticeably. But for JPEG shooters, or RAW shooters who will either process the occasional RAW file in camera, as well as those who use Canon software, there are sharpness and detail benefits worth considering. This is especially true at lower ISO settings. The EOS 5D Mark IV's Digital Lens Optimizer is both a reason to consider using DPP software and, even more so, a great tool for anyone who shoots JPEG files in camera.